Okay, this is in Lamar County. This is what the road we're working on. You can see patching, failures, deep rutting areas. They've tried to patch it several times. We're taking a couple cuts already in the training exercise. You see we've got really good material. We're going about 6 inches deep into the ground. Beautiful material. They're lining up to take another pass. Doing some blade work, trying to get it level. Packs are going. Backing it in. You guys can see it's great material, really good material. We're 6 inches into the ground. You can see over here where we packed the other half of the road already, just so we can get traffic through. You can see how that's packing right back down in nice and tight. The cutting material, here's the packed road, or the half of the road that we've already done.